In every hospital, bathing is more than comfort. It's infection prevention, patient dignity, and staff time. But the industry standard still relies on bulky liquids, inconsistent dosing, and unnecessary waste. Introducing Junk-Free Skin Body Wash Pods, a clean, single-use body wash designed for healthcare. Each pod delivers the right amount of product, every time, without pumps, bottles, or cross-contamination risk. Use it directly on the washcloth or dissolved in the basin. Either way, it activates instantly into a rich, effective lather. Gentle cleansing, clean ingredients, and consistent performance, supporting bathing protocols while reducing product handling. Upgrade from the old standard, simplify bathing, and reduce waste. Junk-Free Skin Body Wash Pods, the smarter body wash for healthcare.